Hello there, and welcome to today's class, a short chair yoga practice. So find a comfortable seat with your feet flat on the ground or on your yoga blocks. Sit up nice and tall, and we'll start with seated cat-cow. Taking your hands to your lap, inhale in and open up through your chest. And as you exhale, round through your spine and dip your chin down towards your chest. And inhale, opening up. And exhale, round. Take a couple more with your own breath. And last one. Make your way back to center. And as you inhale, lift your arms down, around, and up overhead. And as you exhale, press the air away. And inhale. And exhale. Keep moving with your own breath, noticing if you feel a stretch in your arms as you do this. And meet back in center after your last round. We'll take a gentle side body stretch. Inhale in, arms reach up. And exhale, lower your right hand down to the side. Left arm stays up and reach over to the right. Your right hand can come to the chair or cross your body to your left leg. Inhale in. And exhale back up. And bringing your hands back to your lap. Inhale, arms reach up. And exhale, leaning over to the left. Left hand comes to your chair or across to your right leg. And right arm stays lifted. Inhale in. And exhale back up. Next, we'll take a gentle seated twist. Inhale, reach your arms up. And as you exhale, twist your torso to the left. And then let your arms lower. Your left hand can come to your chair, and your right hand can cross your body, coming to your left leg. Inhale in. And exhale, release back to center. Inhale, reach both arms up. And this time, twisting to the right. Lower your right hand to the side of your chair, and your left hand can cross your body. Inhale. And exhale, release back to center. Next, we'll come into a seated down dog, but before we do, we'll take a moment to check in. Taking a deep breath in and out. Notice how you're feeling. When you're ready, we'll come into our seated down dog. Feet planted on the mat or to your blocks. Arms are up above your head in a V shape. Reach your arms up, pressing through the heels of your hands and lean your torso forward. Your arms are in a V shape. Feel free to keep them in your range of view. You don't have to have them up by your ears. Inhale in. And this time, exhale out through your mouth. Next, inhale. Start to move your torso upwards. Bring your hands down in front of your body and alongside your side and to the back, holding onto the base of your chair. Open up through your chest and breathe. And then release back to center. We'll finish up with a couple more cat-cows. Starting with an inhale, open up through your chest. And exhale, round through your spine. And moving with your own breath for the next few rounds. then back to center. Once again, pause here. Maybe close your eyes. Notice how you're feeling. Maybe grab some water. And then from here, we'll settle into Shavasana for a minute or two, but feel free to stay here longer if you wish. You can also move to a comfortable chair or couch or to your bed. If you're in your chair, feel free to sit back and get comfortable. You can stretch your legs out long if you'd like. Let your hands rest gently on your lap. Maybe dip your chin down towards your chest. And if you're comfortable doing so, close your eyes. And I'll let you know when it's time for us to move again. Stay here longer if you wish. But if you're ready to finish your practice for the day, start with a deep breath in and out. Wiggle your fingers and your toes. Circle your wrists and your ankles. When you're ready, slowly press back upright and come back to your breath. Blink your eyes back open when you're ready. I hope you enjoyed the short chair yoga practice. Thank you again for sharing your practice with me today, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.